Hello there, my name is Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share this little project with you. A few years ago, I could look on my account and see how long it's been. I bought an apron from Missouri Star, and it's the Jenny apron. I bought it and I liked the material. The only problem with this apron was it was too short. So when I would sit down, it wouldn't even really cover my legs. So I haven't been wearing it at all. Thought about getting a different apron. Finally, after 3 or 4 years of thinking about it, I decided I am going to just make this apron longer. So I tacked on a little bit to the sides and a little bit to the length, and you'll see what happened. I'm going to make sure and leave you a link in the description for when I made these braid blocks. Remember when I made them, if you saw the video, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. Well, this is a perfect opportunity for me to use a few of them and make this apron just beautiful. So I also got an old pair of jeans or two from my son-in-law, and I'm going to be cutting that up because I thought, wouldn't it be interesting to have the denim on both sides of these little braided blocks. My blocks measured around 5 inches wide by 19 inches long, and I am cutting these denim strips to the right length with 2-inch widths. Now I've got enough denim strips. I'm going to stitch these right sides to my braid blocks and make one long panel. When I finished pressing the seam, I sort of pressed it open, and then I thought to myself, you know what, I wouldn't even have to press this if I just top stitch right over that seam. I also wanted a little more coverage on the side, so I'm just going to add one little panel on the sides and just top stitch it down before I add the panel, making it longer. I decided I was just going to fold down that top edge of my little denim there, and then I'm going to stitch it right sides together to the side and top stitch it to the strap, and then finish off that right hand edge as well. So this is by no means a professional alteration, as you can see, but I think it's going to do exactly what I need it to do, which is just make the sides a little bit wider. I opened up that seam and took a look, and I decided it was going to be easier to sew that right-hand seam down first before I folded over the top edge. Next, I folded under that top edge, just using clips to hold it to the apron strap, and then I top stitched. I did quite a bit of back stitching just to make sure this was going to stay attached to my straps. I wasn't sure exactly how wide my braids were going to need to be, so I had not stitched them together yet. But I went ahead and finished that. Next, I decided I was going to stitch backing right sides together to this panel and then just turn it right side out through an opening, which I would close up later. So I have this pretty fabric, and that is going to be the inside of the apron. I'm going to go ahead and go around this panel, stitching these right sides together, leaving an opening for turning. And here we've moved ahead. I went ahead and stitched it all together, turned it right side out, and now I'm poking out the corners, and I'm going to get these seams pressed nice and flat. I top stitched all the way around the outside of this panel, and then I simply attached it to the apron. Here's that extension attached to the original apron, and I like this because the apron had pockets, and you know you always need pockets in an apron, so those were left untouched. Now that I've got this apron altered, I'm pretty sure I'm going to start wearing it more frequently and hopefully be able to walk out of my sewing closet over there without threads all over myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a fun time making it, but just to let you know, pretty soon there'll be another video out with the rest of these braid blocks, and I made them into a quilt. So stay tuned for that beautiful quilt. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you back again real soon.